Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning with Ekta and welcome to a new topic. And today we are going to study about fractions and types of fractions. So before studying about types of fractions, we must know what is fraction. So fraction can be defined as a part of a whole. So you know what are numbers. So 1, 2, 3, these all are numbers. And if we divide these numbers into further subparts, these will be referred to as fractions. Like 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3. So if this is one circle and I divide it into two parts, and if I take out this one part, this is half or fraction, that is 1 upon 2. So here the number which comes on the top is known as numerator and the number which is written below it is known as denominator. See, one more example is here. So here in this rectangle I have divided this rectangle into three parts and out of these I have shaded only 2. So the fraction becomes 2 upon 3. I hope the meaning is clear that what are fractions. So fractions means part of a whole. So now let's study about the types of fractions. So in types of fractions, first of all we are going to talk about like and unlike fractions. So what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions? For that you need few examples. Let's see. 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. All these terms, all these fractions are like fractions. When the denominators are same, they are referred as like fractions. And if I talk about unlike fractions, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 5. So here all the denominators are different. So these are known as unlike fractions. I hope that the difference between like and unlike fractions is clear. So in case of like and unlike, we are comparing with the denominators. If the denominators are same, we call them like fractions. If denominators are different, we call them unlike fractions. Here we have one more type, that is unit fractions. So unit means 1. So if you have 1 in numerator of any fraction, then that fraction is called as unit fraction. So what are unit fractions? Unit fractions are fractions with numerator 1. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on further. So we have proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions now. So what are proper fractions? Proper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is smaller than the denominator. So what are proper fractions in which numerator is smaller than the denominator? So if I talk about 11 upon 15, 7 upon 9, here the numerator is smaller and the denominator is bigger. So these are proper fractions. And if I talk about improper, it's opposite. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So if I reverse these will become improper. So in an improper fractions, we have numerators bigger and denominators smaller. So all these are examples of improper fractions. Now the last type which is left is mixed. Mixed fractions have whole number and a proper fraction. So when we have whole number and a proper fraction, then those are known as mixed fractions. Let me give you one example. 2 1 by 2. So this 2 is a whole number and this 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. So this whole is a mixed fraction. If I give you one more, it will be 4 1 by 5. So this is also a mixed fraction. I hope the concepts are clear. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and forward it to as much people and students as you can. It will be a great help. Thank you and have a nice day.